Hello, gentlemen. I hope you're well. In this video, we're going to go through the Swarm network. So this is arguably going to be the biggest project to launch on SUI. And I'm going to go through it with you. I'm going to demonstrate what the project is, what it's about, and then you're going to make an informed decision for yourself. So think what Notcoin Hamster done for Ton. This is probably going to do it for SUI. So arguably, I'm predicting this to be the biggest project on SUI to launch. So keep an eye on it regardless. You'll probably see it around. They're putting in huge numbers on socials as well. So it's grabbed my attention. And I'm going to go through the project, explain it to you so you can just watch this video. By the end, you can make your own decision on it. So there are two or three parts to it. So it's a governance layer and it's also a fact checking tool, which is very big at the moment. And it's probably going to get even bigger because there's a lot of AI, there's a lot of stuff floating around that's fake news, etc. So the theme of it is like find the lies, good graphics, good branding. I think it's they've done an excellent job so far. There are licenses which we'll talk about shortly as well, but have a look. All the links are in the description as well. Now, one thing to know, I've been investing in crypto for a while, and there has been a 3 million VC seed round. So what this is basically these guys will market make, provide liquidity, probably introduce sex like central exchanges to it as well. Now, what that's going to happen with that is this sort of level of fundraise, even around the 2 mil mark, which is free, this is 3 mil, is probably going to get, I would say, tier one exchanges off the offset. And I wouldn't be surprised when it launches, they'll have tier one exchanges. And tier one exchanges, Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, that sort of thing. Maybe KuCoin can be thrown in there as well and other things. And the main features of it is we'll discuss shortly. I'll talk about the licenses at the end, but what it is, and I can demonstrate the product because I've been trying it out as well. So there is a network of social media, etc. And what this does, it goes through, you can fact check anything online, Twitter, etc. And then the governance layer does that. It checks through, have a look, read through it. There's a white paper as well that you can look through. Like I said, I'll link it all in the description, but it is pretty good in terms of the tool itself, and I'll show you it shortly. Now, with what we've got is the allocation. Now, I always take a good look at the allocation. The first thing I look at is the team. That's surprisingly small at 10%. So I'm not really sure. There's 2.5 on the market maker, which is about standard as well, liquidity. And the main feature is the AI agent licenses. So this is the new sort of pre-sale. And if you are looking to buy into a project, nowadays it seems to be I'm buying, I think I've got about 3 nodes on different projects. I think these ones are obviously actual agents, so this is a good thing. And go through it, look through it all yourself. But the thing that surprises me is quite a low allocation on the team as well. So there are benefits to actually holding it and having a license to one of the AI agents. There's revenue share as well. There's airdrops as well. So they're going to have a section where you'll be able to launch your own AI agent, monetize it, tokenize it, and you'll receive airdrops. So I think the Jupiter's doing something similar to that. So it's like a launch pad in essentially. But let's talk about the licenses because that's the most important thing. So basically, this is a way to get a license, is a way to get tokens before the launch. So it's a way to actually basically buy a pre-sale or seed round. They're coming in at about $1,000, 999 USDC. So if you want, you can load up your SUI wallet. I haven't done that yet. I'm going to send funds over and I'm probably going to buy about two, and I'm going to see how it goes because I might buy it closer to the time. I think the price will go up. Type in your referral code. Mine is in the description if you want to put that in or use someone else's, up to you. And you can go through, buy, but obviously do your own research with it as well. But this is genuinely a well-backed project, good team, etc. So we're going to see how things work out on there. So this is the Twitter, and what the first thing I look at is obviously followers are huge, and then I thought, are they real? Is it real? And then I've seen that they've pulled in like 4 million on their, how can I put it, on one of their Twitter bots. Sorry, Telegram bots as well. So it's getting huge engagement, 1 million. 58. So this is like legit followings, and usually it's about 5% of whatever your following is you should get But they're doing a good job. Have a look through their socials, and that's the main thing we look at. And there's a lot of hype around this project. Should be launching Q2 as well. So this is the bot. So I want to show you this. So this is a news bot, and all you need to do, it's the fact checking bot on Twitter. So there's obviously going to be other AI agents. So all you do is type roll news plus roll up as well, and then it will fact check it. Now it doesn't just fact check it like, oh, this is true and blah blah. What it does is, see, this uses 29 minutes ago, right? Roll up, and then it gives you a summary, and it sources all the summary. Let's have a look. We'll try and find it. Like, see, I done it here. Let's see. That was me. And then it fact checked all the blog posts for it, which is pretty amazing. It's given sources. So in order to substantially facts, so it's given 100% fact on that, which is pretty amazing. And you'll see this shield around. You'll see people just doing this on all different types of posts. I've seen stuff similar, but I haven't seen someone that sources the information with it. So genuinely, I'll keep you all updated with the Swarm network. And to be honest, it looks pretty good, I must say. And SUI is going to be a big chain. And the difference between SUI and Solana, Solana's leading the pack. We all love Solana, but SUI's actually been built for 3 billion users. That's the thing. It's been built for mass usage. And I think SUI is going to be big. And I think tokens like Swarm Network are going to be the ones leading the pack with a lot of utility around it. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. And we'll keep an eye on it. But if you want, grab a license. Links are in the description for everything. All the best and take care.